क्या कहना है उनका अपनी रणनीतियों के बारे में सुनते हैं।
250 जो था वो इस विकेट पे मेरा ख्याल है चेजेबल था।
ये सर
शोएब, आपको अपने फॉर्म को लेकर थोड़ी सी चिंता है क्योंकि आप इस सीरीज में आपके बल्ले से रन नहीं निकल रहे और कामरान अपनी की जो विकेट कीपिंग जिस तरह की रही है, जिस तरह से उन्होंने कैच ड्रॉप किया और उसके बाद उनका जो बैट से भी वो स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, चिंता है आपके लिए?
देखिए, जब टीम हारती है तो फिर इस तरह की चीज़ें बाहर आती हैं। तो अभी हम लोग मैच हारे जिसकी वजह से इस तरह की बातें हो रही हैं। ये है कि कैचेस किसी से भी ड्रॉप हो जाते हैं। मेन चीज़ ये है कि कितनी जल्दी इस चीज़ को इम्प्रूव किया जाए अपनी गलती।
शोएब, आज अफरीदी और गंभीर को इसको बीच में कुछ बात हुई तो क्या एम्पायर्स ने आपसे इस बारे में कोई बात की है? आप कैप्टन को
देखिए, एग्रेशन कोई भी दिखाता है, लेकिन मैं गौतम के पास गया था और मैंने उससे बोला था कि चलो जो भी हुआ मैं माजरत चाहता हूँ, लेकिन इस तरह का छोटा मोटा वो मैच में होता रहता है। सारे एक दूसरे को मतलब दोस्ती है तो सब अच्छे से खेलते रहते हैं अंदर, तो कुछ इस तरह का कोई ख़ास चीज़ नहीं थी।
लेकिन एम्पायर्स ने कुछ आपको
नहीं, कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं।
तो पाकिस्तानी टीम के अगर एग्रेशन आक्रामक रवैये की बात करें तो कपिल जी आपने खूब झेला है, आपने खूब खेला है उनके साथ। इनसे जानेंगे, आज गौतम गंभीर और शाहिद अफरीदी आपस में टकरा गए थे और उसके बाद उनके बीच काफी बहस भी हुई थी। इस पर खास बातचीत होगी और जो कैच ड्रॉप किए वो कह रहे हो जाते हैं ऐसे कैच ड्रॉप और ये लगातार उनको भारी पड़ रहे हैं।
हाँ, इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट में इतने ज्यादा कैच ड्रॉप हो तो भारी पड़ेंगे।
भारी पड़ेंगे।
इस स्टेज पे आकर इतने कैचेस ड्रॉप नहीं होने चाहिए। और कैच किसी ने भी कोई भी ड्रॉप कर सकता है, लेकिन इतने ज्यादा कैचेस हो या हर मैच में दो कैचेस ड्रॉप हो तो इंटरनेशनल टीम से ये
आप जीत नहीं सकते। चलिए कपिल जी, एक छोटा सा ब्रेक ले लेते हैं। ब्रेक के बाद लौटेंगे तो बात करेंगे पाकिस्तान की फील्डिंग की भी।
The state of UP. May I ask Piyush to please come forward as well. $10 lakhs only to RP Singh. That's what the check says. He was a star during the T20 cricket. We need a bit of applause from the audiences. And Piyush Chawla. Gold Shield. It's a terrific memento and he'll be presented with the check as well. Wonderful reward for some excellent performance during the T20. Piyush, enjoy it. Don't spend it all in one go. Coming to the game itself, may I invite first Shoaib Malik to please come forward. Shoaib, bad luck. You tried extremely hard, but I guess 290 odd chasing down on a pitch which had a bit of wear and tear was always going to be tough.
I think we were expecting 250, but from 28 overs to 40 overs, Yuvraj and Dhoni, they batted well. That's why they made 294.
You're one game now down. What are the lessons that you've learned from this game? Because at Mohali you were brilliant. Today with just a little short in possibly in all departments of the game.
I think we dropped Yuvraj Singh early on. That's why they made 294 and he scored 75 or 80, something like that. I think we were lacking in the fielding at the moment and we need to work hard in fielding department.
Tremendous effort from Salman Butt, really. He batted really well and he's like Indian bowling also. His 400, all 400 hundreds have been against India.
Well, he's playing at the moment very superb and we want him to play like that in the whole series, and we are one down. They played, we still got 2 more games and inshallah we'll try and win those games.
That's right, chin up, not to worry. There's a lot of cricket still left in this series. All the best for the next one.
Thank you.
Shoaib Malik, the Pakistani captain. Now we come again to some individual awards. The Airtel Bowler of the Day to be presented by Mr. Nagesh Rajana, Chief Executive Officer, Bharti Airtel Limited. Sohail Tanveer for his fantastic bowling figures. Picked up a couple of wickets, bowled tidily. Then there's the 9X hit of the day to be presented by Mr. Rajiv Shukla, Vice President BCCI Salman Butt has earned himself some goodies, and 90,000 rupees, 89,991 to be precise. Terrific effort with the bat as well. Indian Oil Extra Premium Player of the Match check to be presented by Honorable Chief Minister UP Kumari Mayawati ji, and for his fantastic effort in the field, Yuvraj Singh 77 picked up a wicket and also a run out. Yuvraj, would you be kind enough to come here and talk to us? Batted once again brilliantly. Tough wicket to bat on. The ball was spinning. It was a little up and down stuff in the morning as well.
Yeah, it wasn't easy to start, but I just wanted to stay for a couple of overs and build a partnership basically. But if you get in there, you can get some runs.
It's a great season for you, and you seem to be learning on the job, because it's the second match-winning knock that you played for your team. You think you're batting the best in your career?
Well, obviously, I've been playing one days for a couple of years, and it's been coming good. But obviously, I've said to you so many times that real test cricket, when I do play like this in test cricket.
And the ball spun as well on this pitch. It must have surprised you as well.
Yeah, it did. I mean, whenever we played Kanpur, it's always fun. So I just wanted to get in a few overs. Got a wicket, luckily.
No, I meant when you came on to bowl.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Got a wicket, luckily. So was happy with the effort.
And happy with that tremendous run out as well.
Yeah, of course. Yusuf is in great form, so we wanted to get him out. And I told him that you can run from a right hand, but don't run from a left hand. But I guess he did.
Listen to it. Thank you for your time, and brilliant. Well done today.
Thank you very much.
You can receive the trophy as well. Yuvraj, there's a trophy for Player of the Match to be presented by Mr. G. Tiwari, General Manager, Indian Oil. And in the end, MS Dhoni to please come forward and speak with us. Well, it really was an important game, MS, because you lost that last game. 321 was chased down, so you needed a bit of boost and confidence as well.
Well, we are not really bogged down by the last game. I think they batted well, and everything didn't work for us. That's why we lost the match. So we are not really bogged down by it. But obviously we wanted to win this game and go up in the series 2-1.
Once again, very good partnership with Yuvraj Singh, and I guess that was the turning point in the end. The total, it appeared at one stage was to be around 250, but it propelled to 290 odd.
Well, of course, UV has been the trump card. At the start of the series, also I have said that he is our best batsman because he bats in the middle order, and of course we want him to bat for around 30 overs because if he is there and if he can rotate strike later, or can capitalize on that, and at the end of the day we'll get around 80 runs easily in a match. So his knock is important in each and every game, and of course me batting with him, I think we run well, and at times we can help each other in the sense when he is not getting the boundaries, I can help him out, and it works the other way around as well. So it gets a bit easy when I'm batting with Yuvraj.
That is right. It was really a very good partnership, and partnership from the spinners as well. That must have warmed your heart. Harbhajan Singh really bowled well.
Well, Harbhajan was at its best. I think he exploited the conditions. It was really, I think the pitch was helping the spinners. Murli was not at his best, but I think whatever he bowled, like 5 overs he bowled, the rest 5 was done by UV, and I think he bowled really well. The scorecard doesn't suggest how well he bowled. But I think the fifth bowler, the matter was patched up in the sense the sixth bowler, because we were playing with 5 bowlers. I think UV did it. We were short of a bowler, but UV filled in the job for the sixth bowler.
Fielding seemed to be just a little scruffy again. Don't laugh, it's a serious matter.
Well, definitely it is. In close games like in Mohali, fielding does matter, and I think we dropped a few catches as well. But if we can get rid of it, I think we'll be a good side, because a bit of work needs to be done in the fast bowling region as well, department as well. But I think we know the mistakes and we need to work on it.
And good response from the crowd. They were here at 6 in the morning, MS.
Well, definitely it's a pleasure, playing at Kanpur. I have played here before also. So yeah, and I think it's a pleasure to win. Last time we lost, and it was not a fond memory. But this time we have won, and we are up in the series 2-1.
Well done, well played today, and all the best for the rest of the series.
Thanks a lot.
MS Dhoni is speaking with us, and that is what we have from the presentation ceremony here.
Well, lovely evening as the sun goes